Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OneDrive to Power Automate. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect OneDrive to Power Automate, start by signing into your Microsoft account. Once logged in, navigate to the Power Automate website. On the Power Automate homepage, locate the Create option in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Create to begin setting up your flow. Choose the type of flow you want to create, such as Automated Cloud Flow or Instant Cloud Flow. For this tutorial, let's select Automate. Enter a descriptive name for your flow to identify its purpose. Next, choose the trigger for your automated flow. In the search bar, type OneDrive to find OneDrive-related triggers. Select the OneDrive trigger that suits your needs, such as when a file is created. After selecting the trigger, click the Create button at the Now, you will need to configure the trigger settings. Choose the OneDrive folder you want to monitor for new files. Click on the folder icon to browse your OneDrive folders. Select the appropriate folder and confirm your choice. With the trigger in place, it's time to add an action. Click on the New Step button to proceed. In the Action search bar, type OneDrive to find available OneDrive actions. Select the action you want to perform, like Create File or Get File Content. Configure the action settings according to your preferences. For example, if creating a file, specify the folder path and file name. After setting up the action, review your flow for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click the Save button to save your flow. Your flow is now set up to automatically respond to events in OneDrive. To test your flow, upload a file to the specified OneDrive folder. Return to the Power Automate website and check the flow's run history to see if it executed successfully. If any issues arise, examine the error messages for troubleshooting guidance. Congratulations, you have successfully connected OneDrive to Power Automate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.